What do Christine Zacasa, Nick Martino, and Mike Morrow all have in common? They all believe that the only bad thing in our country right now is education.
And the evil genius who towered over them?
It's me, Big Bird.
Big, yellow, a menace to our economy.
It's not Sesame Street we have to worry about, it's Wall Street. Although education is important, it can't be the priority set by this country because what the others failed to notice is that for just about everything, including funding to education, we need money. Me and Vin know what to do to get us that money, so vote for us.